Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. We got practice 3.3 in regular math, 30 minutes of Moby Max. Also this week, that's due Friday, as well as extra credit number 3. We do have a quiz for 3.1 through 3.3 tomorrow. In honors math, you've got practice 3.4, as well as your extra credit and your Moby Max. In science, there is no homework. But remember, you can still purchase tickets for the Warrior Way Assembly during lunch. You can win an opportunity to enter a drawing to hit Mrs. Cap in the face with a pie, be involved in a tug-of-war game, or take Miss Falk to the wall. That is something that you definitely want to look forward to, because we should have a good time during the assembly on Friday. Honor Science, we need an assignment called Classifying Our Elements, and our topic selection for the science fair is due Friday. In Social Studies and Language Arts, there is no homework. And in Literature, half our AR points are due on Monday, November the 11th. All right, and for CNL and FCS, does not look like that has been updated. Make sure you check with Mrs. Music for when that is due. It's going to be all for today. Hopefully everyone has a wonderful Wednesday, and stay dry out there.
Bye.